Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I have seen in the comments that a lot of you are looking for part-time work that is non-phone, and that is exactly what I have for you today. This company is even offering some flexibility in the hours that you work. Of course, we're going to dive all into it. I just want to ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep an eye out. But without wasting any more time, today's job lead is from a company called Girls Who Code. Now, they have 246 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a very overall high employee satisfaction rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time temporary partner support specialist, and even though this says temporary, it goes all the way through September 13th of 2024, and there is also a possibility to extend that contract. The hourly rate for this position is $20 to $25 an hour, but they are basically looking for somebody to monitor their partner email inbox, answering questions, answering those emails, escalating any requests, and communicating program errors up to their coders. You're also going to track and monitor partner onboarding information collected through surveys and follow up gathering any missing information so that the onboarding of partners can be completed. So you're just going to support the training department, the manager, answering all these emails, looking at these surveys, and collecting all the data. You'll manage these ticket escalations as well. But the best thing about this is they don't require any kind of college degree. They just require somebody to have 2 years of experience, either in operations, customer service, or customer facing roles, have great people skills, have strong communication skills, and great organizational skills. Now, you do have to have your own reliable internet connection, and they offer some flexibility in their working hours. It says you have to work at least 3 hours that overlap with their business hours of 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but the rest of your hours can be worked outside of that and whenever you want. So there is a little bit of flexibility in those hours. Now, because this is a part-time position, they are looking for somebody to work up to 20 hours a week. If you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say I hope you have a happy holiday season ahead. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. If you enjoyed this job lead, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.